Corvette truck is here, and that is the glorious Chevrolet. What's up, Buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? So you would have seen that in my previous video, I put an order in for the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette at a dealer that was kind of close to me. And whenever I got in contact with them, they pretty much let me know that it was not going to be at base price they were selling it. So they're selling it over sticker because there's a lot of demand for them. And they're selling theirs for $5,000 over sticker. And I told them, I was like, there's no way I'm paying over sticker for a multi-produced car that's going to be all over the place. But on my way to work this morning, I drove by this Chevrolet dealership, and I discovered that they had a C8 Corvette, and not really in stock, but they had the C8 Corvette on display. And I was like, oh shoot, so I decided to check it out. So that's where we're on our way to now. We're on our way to Keys Chevrolet. And I asked them about if they were gonna be charging over sticker. They haven't told me anything. So let's just go inside. I'm so excited. The Corvette truck.
So this is the car in question. The gloriously golden 2020 C8 Corvette. Oh, it looks so good. For the 2020 Corvette, the engine is actually in the back, so.
And is that the gray interior or is that the white? That's gray, I guess.
I think it's like whitish gray. Yeah, it's kind of like a mixture between both. Oh gosh.
It's gonna look like shit after a month.
Yeah, for sure. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So this is hopefully going to be my new car in a few months, but yeah, this is awesome. I just love the way it looks on the interior. It just looks so nice. These pedals feel really substantial. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is so cool. I love how that feels. So like there's like a button under that. And there's, oh hello.
Hey, can't open the door for me.
Oh, the door? But yeah, this bridge tunnel thing is actually pretty cool. And the gear selector. Oh, that feels so good. That feels awesome. There's so much rear visibility. This is amazing. It's literally just open back there. Oh, this is awesome. It has really good visibility. I think that's like a wireless charger for your phone.
Oh, I think you put your phone here and it communicates with it.
That is pretty cool.
Put your phone right here and it talks.
What is this? Whoa, that's the vent. That's the air vent. This is nice. And what do you think about the steering wheel?
I'm good with it.
Yeah.
It's good.
This is awesome.
It's not as square as people say.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I mean, and I kind of
got like if you could still turn it right there.
And I kind of do like the square. It makes it look more exotic, for real.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Okay. Oh. There's a lot of space in the front.
It has so much space up front too as well. That's very interesting.
It's the same thing, it doesn't have the...
And in the back.
It has the same engine in it. It doesn't have
And
the
you guys
carbon
know,
fiber.
for the 2020 Corvette, the engine is actually in the back, so.
So these are the three colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, these are the 4 runners in colors. I just love the green. The Accelerate yellow just looks so good. So good. So that's the Corvette over there. And I also just discovered they're giving away these configurator thingies. It is pretty cool. The black one actually looks awesome. I got some merch, and I think they're serving like coffee and like cookies over there, so I'm gonna go steal some. Okay, so I just came out from the Chevy dealership, and the issue is that even though yes, I'm going to be getting the C8 Corvette, but now the issue is that every dealership in Southern California is selling it for like $5,000 or more over sticker, and I'm like, some of them out there selling $25,000 over sticker. I'm like, why? I mean, I guess it's the commodity is hot and people are gonna pay it. But I shortly told them that I was not going to be able to do that because I just can't afford like $5,000 over. The car's already expensive, for God's sake. I mean, for what you're getting, it's a good price. But why would they be selling over sticker? If you know anyone with a C8 Corvette or anyone that has at least a C8 allocation, not really anyone, but any dealership that's willing to work with me and sell it at MSRP, please let me know. This is just insane. Why would they sell it over sticker? I understand the appeal and I understand everything, but that over sticker price is just crazy. I mean, the car. I love that car, and I am so excited to see it in the garage soon. I just have to probably buy from somewhere in the Midwest or something that they're not charging over a sticker. So if you guys know any place in the Midwest, any place, even if it's in the Arctic Ocean that's selling this car for MSRP, please let me know. But yeah, I'm so excited. The car is awesome. There's a lot of people in there. So it was kind of hard, but they gave me some merch and I ate some food for free, which is awesome. But yeah, oh, my arm hurts from holding this camera or for this phone. And yeah, I'm very excited to be getting this car, and it's gonna be golden. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. Whew. And I'm so like, literally, that car looks so much better in person. Just how low it is, the amount of space it has inside, the way the car I mean, I didn't hear it, but the way the car looks, and it's so cool. You can see it. They put the ad there. But yeah, I was just driving by this morning on my way to work, and I just saw it, and I was like, wait, I'm just gonna stop and see what is happening and what's up. But yeah, good car, cool car, and I'm pumped. It's gonna be golden. But that's pretty much it, guys. I have to bounce now because I have to head back to work. Yeah, it looks way better in person, and it made me so excited. And my heart, I don't know why my heart was just beating, and when I was just like right by the car. So I'm very excited, very pumped, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video. I'll catch you guys in the next golden drive. See ya.